Hey friends, today we are solving the problem of the clogged drain. And today, I don't have just one clogged drain, I actually have two clogged drains. So join me as we solve the clogged drain problem today. But on our way to the store, I've got a question for you and I'd love to hear your thoughts. What store would you go to pick up drain unclogging supplies? My mind instantly went to Home Depot, Lowe's, or Ace Hardware. Each has their advantages, I guess. For me, Home Depot would kind of be the closest, but my least favorite, and they tend to be expensive, more expensive than Lowe's. Lowe's has a wide variety and is pretty nice to shop at, and generally their staff are somewhat helpful. Then you've got Ace. They're really close to Home Depot. They're smaller, they're usually friendly, but they're also quite expensive. So those are my three options today. What would you choose? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So many options. Which one do we choose? There's Ace brand, there's Drano Max Gel. What is liquid fire? This looks a little too dangerous for me. That won't. Ooh, little baby plungers. Instant power. 2 uses per bottle. Let's try Green Gobbler. Now for the second drain. Oh. Hair snake. Have you tried these before? These are excellent for getting hair out of like shower drains. All right, let's get this Green Goblin going and let's see if it does any good. The lid may be childproof, but you can open it one-handed. Whoops, need to poke that. Gotta be careful because there's chemicals in there. All right, got that. And there's simple measurement on the side to get about 1. So let's pour some in there. Oh, it needs more, it says. All right, that's exactly the right amount. Let's leave that in there and let's see how it goes. We'll come back in a little bit and check in on this. All right, time for drain 2. We're going to use the snake. It's the shower drain that my kids use. So we're going to shove this down in the drain. Watch this, my daughter has really long hair. We're gonna get a big, ugly hair glob out. All right, push it in, pull it out. Ooh, it pulled up a bunch of hair, but let's try again. Oh, so nasty. All right, well, it didn't work as well as normal. I guess we're gonna revisit this one later. All right, check it out. The water went down. Let's turn the water on and see what happens. All right, so still not flowing great, but definitely progress. So I guess I'm still looking for the final solution to this drain. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on our next daily adventure.